this video, I am gonna show you how to create an account on hackerrank. After successfully creating an account, we'll solve our first SQL query question on hackerrank. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to hackerrank. In order to create an account, we need to sign up first. So click on sign up option and then click on I am here to practice and prepare. Then we'll press on continue. You can sign up using your email address or you can use your existing Google or a Facebook account for a quicker registration. So here we'll just click on prepare for job interview and then let me skip it for now. As you can see on this main dashboard, there are many languages available to prepare for, and you can practice here by selecting any of the languages you want, and then also there is an option of to get certified. So by giving test you can get a certification from hackerrank. Here we'll locate to SQL section and click on it to access SQL related problem.